Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a minimal environment so Keep stays useful immediately. Open Keep and sign in. Once done, create 3 labels: Inbox, To Do, Archive to force a simple filing habit. You should enable sync and notifications so notes show across devices and remind you. This first step reduces friction. You'll always know where new thoughts go, and you can capture ideas in 2 taps. Make sure your mobile permissions allow attachments and location if you want context. Now you focus on consistent capture and lightweight organization. When something appears, use voice or quick capture. Once recorded, edit to add a label and priority color. Pin up to 3 active notes so your dashboard stays actionable, and convert relevant notes into checklists for stepwise tasks. Use time or location reminders on the most important items. By grouping related notes with a single label, you reduce search time and keep context intact. This is how Keep becomes reliably useful. To finish, set a weekly 10-minute review where you archive completed items and expand notes that need work. Move long or collaborative content to Google Docs by using Copter Docs. This prevents Keep becoming a cluttered notebook. If reminders or sync fail, try Force Sync, clear the app cache, and re-login. Make sure network permissions are allowed. If duplicates appear, delete extras and consolidate. This routine keeps Keep fast and focused, and it prevents slow accumulation of unreviewed notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.